welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about Beauty Empty. So all of the products that I used up through the last month of January and just little reviews of what I thought about them. So they're used up in their entirety and I now have a good idea of what I loved and what I didn't love and what I absolutely hated and what I cannot wait to purchase again. So I'm just going to go over them with you in no particular order and get them into the recycling bin. So the first thing that I used up is a product from the Dollar Tree, and this is the Bolero Coconut Cream and Vanilla Body Wash. So this was something that I hauled quite a while ago. I do like the Bolero products. I think sometimes they're really hit and miss. This one, if you're on a budget, I feel like it smelled really nice. It's very lightly scented with the coconut and vanilla scent, but I feel like it did not do a good job of really cleansing my skin and was just mainly water. So I don't typically like products like that where I feel like they're just too watery. I like a little bit more consistency to them. So for that reason, I would not get this again. That is an item from there. And then I also have another one that is the Pantene Deep Hydrating Co-Wash. And this was a single pack use from the Dollar Tree for your hair. And I got about 4 uses out of this. Now, this is not something, if you follow my empties, you know that I'm getting rid of all of my single-use products and will not be repurchasing them. But this one I really did like. So if I was going to continue repurchasing things like that, I would definitely get this again because it did make my hair feel really nice and manageable and smooth. And if they had a bottle of it, like a bigger bottle, I'd probably purchase it again. I'm gonna look into it. I haven't checked yet, but this was really nice. So if you see these and you're buying stuff like this, I would definitely recommend picking that up. And then the next thing I have is another single-use product that I'm so excited to get out of my collection. It is the Labco's Aloe Soothing Sheet Mask. So I have been working my way through these masks. If you are looking for a good hydrating sheet mask, they're usually hydrating, but these really do feel like they make a difference in my skin. I haven't tried one that I haven't loved yet. They are full of serum and they are super saturated, so you can get some more use out of these even after you take the mask off, but definitely messy. It's not something you can walk around the house with unless you want to just drip everywhere, but these are really good, and if I was going to get those things again, I would definitely pick that up. And then this is no stranger to my empties. This is the Dr.Teals Pure Epsom Salt in the Glow and Radiance Vitamin C. I was kind of these were interesting to me because these are like invigorating. They smell really, really good, but it's not something I typically go to at nighttime. I like baths at night mainly, so lavender, the eucalyptus, that's something that's a little bit more soothing. This kind of gave you that burst of like energy, so it does feel really good, or it smells really good for that, but it kind of did the opposite effect for me. Like if I'm taking a bath at night, I don't want something that's gonna be like, woo, you've got a burst of energy. I want something that's gonna be more soothing. So I don't know about these. I love Dr.Teals, but I don't know if I would get the vitamin C again. That's that. The next thing I have is actually something Frank picked up. This is the Suave Professionals Men 3-in-1 Citrus Rush in the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So again, it says it's a men's line, but it doesn't have like a manly scent to it. It's more just like an invigorating citrus scent to it. Really, really fresh. So I did like the scent of it. Even if it's something that he picks up, I still like to try it out just because I'm nosy and I like to try everything. But this, I felt like, made a good bubble bath, and it's okay. You know, it's one of those products, like for him, he doesn't care. He just wants something that's quick and easy, so he used it up, but I feel like it was okay, and if he bought it again, I'd probably sneak some. So that's that. And then I have a body cream. I of course cut this open. This is the Bath & Body Works Ultra Shea body cream in the Mary Cherry Cheer scent. The Mary Cherry Cheer scent is not something I would kind of gravitate towards, but because it was super cheap at the, not last SAS sale, but the one before that, I just decided to try it out. So the fragrance notes are maraschino cherry, pomegranate cider, raspberry blossom, sugared musk, and black cherry amaretto. But I like this now. So now that I tried it, I really like it. So this would definitely be something I would pick up again. I have the body wash I'm going through right now. It's just sweet and smells really pretty, and if you like those kinds of scents, this is a good one. And yeah, definitely enjoyed that. The next thing I have, it took me forever and a day to go through, is the Ren Pure Coconut Whipped Cream Leave-In Conditioner. So this is a pretty big bottle. So 16 fluid ounce. It had a pump to it. It smells really good. I picked it up a long time ago on Amazon, but I have seen this line at like TJ Maxx before. So it would probably be easier for me to just get it through there, because I try to go there a couple times during the month just to see what they have. But this just was really heavy for my hair, and it felt like it really weighed it down. So I probably would not get this again. So that was okay. And then I have a Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Fortifying Conditioner. So this was supposed to be for frizzy, dry, and manageable hair, which is definitely my hair to a T. It's vitamin E and argan oil. It did make my hair feel smooth after I'd rinsed it out. I always leave conditioners in for a long time when I put them in, whether it's a deep conditioner or just a regular conditioner. I just like to let it sit on my hair. So it did smell really good, and it felt like made my hair smooth, but I didn't notice it's supposed to be a system for up to 3 days sleek. I didn't see any change with that, so I probably would not get that again. Then I have two mascaras. They're both from Essence. This one is the Get Big Lashes 3 in Triple Black. So this is the purple tube. And then I also have the pink one, which is the I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. So two different wands for these. The pink one was my favorite out of the two. This one has a longer wand to it. If you can see my nails, don't mind them because I messed them up right after I painted them. And I typically don't like bristles like that, but this one I felt like it did do a really good job with giving my volume lots of, oh my god, my lashes lots of volume. It was very, very messy at first, so very clumpy lashes. But if you like that kind of effect, you probably really like this one. Once it dries down, it feels even better. I feel like the more this dried out, the better I liked it, but I liked it from the beginning. So the purple tube is that same bristles, oh my god, the same wand that you see in a lot of the mascaras. So I felt like this is it's a drier formula. It's not as wet as the pink tube, but it did give my lashes some more volume. This one, it would take me like 1 or 2 coats to get my lashes to where I would want them. This one was probably 3, sometimes 4. So I would definitely pick this one over those two. All right, we're coming up to the end. So then I have a foundation. This is the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Fit Me Foundation. I had it in the shade 110 Porcelain. I will get every last little bit out of that because of my beauty spatula to really get in there. I really liked this foundation, but I want to try the other one as opposed to the Dewy and Smooth because it was a little bit lighter coverage, of course, and I feel like I'm kind of gearing more towards full coverage now, and it was good. I really liked it, but I just want to try the other formula out. I went through a Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I've talked about this in my favorites before, and this was in the shade Ash Brown. So I really enjoy this brow pencil. It had a spoolie on the end that never fell off, not one time. And then the other tip was that triangular, thicker tip to it. And I felt like it just did a really good job of getting in there quickly for me to fill my brows in. I am not good at brows whatsoever, so this was easy for me to just kind of go quickly in the morning getting ready for work, and I felt like it did a good job. I will get this again. I just want to try it in a different shade. And then I have something else that I'm so excited that I used up. So I'm happy that I used them up because this is the last pack of makeup wipes that I had. So these are the Rooted Beauty Sensitive Facial Wipes, and these were free in a Grove order. I hated these. These were awful. They are geared towards sensitive skin, and no way, shape, and form I would think these would be good for someone with sensitive skin because they are so overly fragranced. They were drier, so they weren't overly saturated with the whatever cleansing material, but oh God, I hated these. I was so glad to see these go. There were 30 of them in here, and other than the fact that I used up the last pack of wipes that I had, I just would not recommend these because these were not very good whatsoever, especially if you have sensitive skin because they're just overly fragranced. Then I have Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bod Buff. This was the little sample size of the body scrub and the body mask. I decided to try it out both ways, so I did try it as a scrub, and then I also tried it as a mask, which was very interesting because it stains your skin like this shade. It doesn't stay on your skin, but it looks really funny. You kind of look like an Oompa Loompa until you rinse it off. When you rinse it off, your skin feels so nice. So I don't know, I'm on the fence about this one. If I got it on sale, I probably would want it again, but I just feel like it's so expensive that I don't know. I might have to splurge and get that again, but we'll see. The last two things I need your help with. So if you can answer this question, I would love you so much. Okay, I used both of these together at the same time, which was kind of stupid on my part because I didn't know I was gonna like both of them so much, but the first one is the Drunk Elephant Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. This was part of the Sephora birthday gift this past year. I really like this as a cleanser. I still have my favorite, which is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser, but I really like this one a lot. And I felt like it did a really good job of cleansing my skin. My skin felt really hydrated and nice and clean after I rinse it off. But this could have been the culprit that broke me out. However, this one is the Youth to the People Kale and Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Oh my God, I adored this more than anything. I didn't think I would like this as much, but it smells like a green smoothie or green fresh juice. It has the best consistency, and it made my skin feel so plump and hydrated after I would put it on, and it just sunk right into the skin, and I loved every second of using this up. I did put this on my Sephora Loves. I think it's $48 for the full size, and I really want to get it. But because I don't know which thing broke me out, I don't want to purchase it yet. So if you had any experience with either of these two where you got a lot of breakouts from them, please let me know because I really want to get this again out of the two. Like I said, I really like this, but I love this and I really want it back in my life, but I'm just scared of purchasing it for the $48 and then having it do the same thing again. So if you have any experience with it, please let me know because it just breaks my heart. I really want it. So that's it for my empties for this month. The last thing, of course, I have is our quote of the video, and today's quote is from Walt Whitman, and he says, "Every hour of the light and dark is a miracle." Okay, Mr. Whitman, you are talking about something a little bit heavier. I'm kind of picking that today because simply the sunshine decided to come out. So that is a miracle because it has been so miserable here lately. Rain, wind, cold, miserable. And now the sun decided to come out today. So it's pretty exciting because now the clouds are moving back in this afternoon. It's gonna rain again. The temperature's gonna drop into the 30s and it's gonna feel like summer or winter all over again. So that is why I picked that quote today. So if you would like to share your favorite quote, make sure you leave them down below. I would love to share them with everybody. And that's gonna be it. I have a haul coming up very soon from Nordstrom Rack and TJ Maxx that I have been stashing things from there, and then I also have some other videos coming up which I kind of hinted at before. They are bigger videos that are taking me a long time to put together because it's multiple things compiled into one over a period of time, but I'm really excited to share them with everyone, so I hope everyone enjoys it. And if you have not done so yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't lose me in this big world of YouTube. And yeah, I would love to have you here. So thank you so much as always for watching. I will see you very soon in the next one. Have a great day and I will talk to you later. Bye.